Hello, ma'am and sir. Have a good day. I'm Merlinda Pumaloy Nara. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have 4 children. I'm Roman Catholic. I live in Philippines, Cagnan, Matalom, Leyte province. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia in 8 years. I know how to taking care of newborn baby. My daily routine is I prepare food for them, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I know how to clean the house, vacuum, mop, and wipe, clean the room, bathroom, and kitchen. And also, I wash the clothes, ironing, and fix it all the dry clothes. And I bake also for snacks for them. And I hope, mom, you select me as your nanny and household. I promise to you, I do my best and I do my responsibility and own my duties. I hope you select me as your household to your in your company. And thank you. God bless.